It's Christmas morning.
It's Christmas Eve.
Do you think Santa brought you any presents?
Yeah.
Are you a good boy? Let's first check to see if it's wake up time outside. Oh, it's getting there.
Oh, no.
Do you want to go check the living room to see what's here?
Yes. A fire truck.
What is it?
A fire truck.
Do you like it?
Yes.
How did Santa ever get that down the chimney?
It's supposed to bring some more.
What?
And he brings some. He brings it. He brings some more.
What are all those things he brought? Presents?
What's this?
It's the fire hose.
That's true. What's this?
That's the other fire hose.
Is water in here?
Not yet. What about his cookies?
Did Santa eat all his cookies? Look at that.
And Rudolph.
Did Rudolph eat his cookie too?
He didn't all milk.
He drank most of it. You left him a really big glass.
Water all up.
Look at that. Can you believe he was that hungry?
Can I get in here?
Sure.
You sure can. It's yours.
That's cool. Thank you.
Will,
Cheers.
look at the camera. Buddy. Can you look at mommy?
You ready to go, aren't you? Here, let's take your stocking off. Full of stuff that he brought for you.
Ammo.
Santa really brought you a lot of stuff this year, buddy. He must have thought you were extra good.
He's not Big Will's house.
Wonder if he came to Big Will's house too. Here, I'll give you a push. It's hard to push it on the carpet, isn't it? Here, let's see the batteries. It's gonna make some noise, I think. You ready? I'm assuming that's gonna go off. Press the other button.
No. Well, I know what I'm
Let's just see what's in there. Look behind you. See when you press the siren? Look. Look at the lights.
I need it off for a second.
And then here's the walkie-talkie. You're talking to it? Say something.
Say breaker, breaker, fire
Breaker,
truck.
breaker, breaker, breaker. Talk. Press the little button right there.
Is this one?
Yeah, the little button on the side. On the side.
Where is it?
Right here. See the little button right there?
I need a. One second.
That's pretty cool, Will.
I am put.
Santa did a good job with your fire truck, didn't he?
What?
He did bring you this sleigh.
I'm gonna put this flower out.
Can you show how that works?
Starts from here.
I don't know. Here, bring it right here in the floor.
Brought you, buddy.
Let's. I'll open it. Open it.
Just rip the paper.
Just rip the paper.
That's your mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mommy. What's in here? It's a big soccer ball. It's a big soccer ball for me.
Oh, isn't that what you asked Santa for?
How did Santa know you wanted a big soccer ball? Did you tell him?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is an outside toy.
Yeah.
I don't have to go to school.
No, you don't have to go to school today.
I don't play soccer outside. I'm my clothes on.
You want to see what else you got?
You might be able to do that in a little while. Play soccer outside.
But Daddy, you just said I don't watch us.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Rock and the sand it hits all up.
He sure
You
did.
did.
Okay, some Rudolph.
What did Santa say?
You're eating after Rudolph reindeer slobber?
I'm rock and the sand deer.
Let's open another present.
What's this? This is really heavy.
Well, come here real fast before you open that.
Look at those big presents.
Wow.
Okay.
It's humongous.
What's in here? What is this? It's good soccer ball. It's just like the sock. It's just like the soccer ball. But I need soccer clothes.
Oh.
Well,
Upset. Yeah, I have.
do you know what that is, buddy?
Yes.
It's a soccer goal.
What's that for?
Unzip it. What's it for?
It's to kick your ball into. to
I think
score
that looks like
points.
the thing that Big Will has.
His folds down like that? That's
Let Mommy blow your nose.
good. Come here and let me help you.
Can you do it with a hand?
Look. Let me see. Oh,
I'm not sure, Daddy. I'm soccer. I'm soccer practice.
you do practice?
I watched the really big kids.
It's gonna fall on you.
I got it, buddy.
I really got it. Okay.
Maybe it needs to stretch out a little bit.
Is there anything else in that bag?
Now you can, Mommy.
It's my turn.
I have two.
Some directions.
I need more dinosaurs.
This is cool. You can press it and look at stuff. What's this?
What? That's your check on the track.
That's a weird place for